Alright, hey guys, today we're going to do a special kind of upload. I'll show you. You probably won't make much out of it, but we're gonna do one of the smaller loads, but there's a function on this dishwasher over there it's quite good, and I think it's about time I show you. It's this is where 3D Zone actually comes in quite handy. So we'll get our Yorkshire 501 crystal tablets. There it is. And I'll show you what we're washing. In the upper rack, we're washing a few dinner side plates, which is these, some mugs, a lid, 2 bowls, and some mugs. That's for the upper rack. And if we'll show you the lower rack, which barely has anything. We didn't really put much in the bottom, except for cutlery. Now I know 3D Zone does 1 rack at a time. Well, 1 rack in total. This will mean gasket needs a wipe. That side's all nice. Anyway, this is the cutlery. That's pretty much all we're having in today. The cutlery. So basically what happens is, the reason they say to keep this basket at the front is so that we get round over here. It's so that the spoon has these little holes. We'll spray directly onto these things. So this one will spray more on here, whereas the second hole, which is over there, sprays more onto where the 2 sharp knives are, so we can see. By that way, it's pretty much hitting there as knives. And yes, I have checked if they're blocked. They're not blocked, I'm very sure of it. You can clearly see this is not a wheel operated rail. Yeah, that's definitely not blocked. This one I wasn't too sure about. No, they're not blocked. They're absolutely fine. And yes, those are one of those things you have to make sure you check. Another thing is this rack can go up and down with these tabs. The only thing noted about the tabs is you shouldn't really do it when the basket is full. The only time you should really do the tabs is when it's empty. So, without further ado, let's shut the little ring and get our dishwasher tablet. That's the package. Opens up very easily. and that's clipped. So what we're gonna do is just a normal wash, and I think that is really it. Maybe I might actually do a number 2 wash, which is auto intensive, 65. Now, because there's not a proper big load, this is where 3D zone is. So that's the bottom rack only. We want the upper rack, which is up here, and then it turns off. So upper rack, I pressed it twice, which goes up for the upper rack. Also, the tablet light also will be turned on. And then for the last time, we're going to check if these sperms spin. Now, what Hotpoint does say is that even if you choose the upper rack, that 3D zone at the back will still activate. Not the bottom sperm, but the 3D zone right at the back there, that orange bar, that still activates no matter what rack you do. So does the third sprayer at the top there. So it really doesn't matter. So they recommend you get the large sperm out of the way of the 3D zone. Because that way, 3D zone won't have any obstacle in its way. So without further ado, I think it's time to shut the door and start the wash. And that's that. So that's pretty much everything sorted. Dishwasher's going to start its wash. And if you want to search up this dishwasher, just go Hotpoint 3D zone wash dishwasher, and then you'll find it there. This dishwasher also has an induction inverter, and of course it's also got the 3D zone. I'm not going to open it because that will confuse the PCB, but yeah. And another thing, you probably can't see it, but the lights in the dishwasher don't turn off. Well, I'm actually going to show you now. Over there, my phone didn't capture this, but these lights don't turn off, and they actually flash. They'll flash only when the cycle finishes. Dishwasher's obviously starting up the filling. But as I said, thanks for watching, like, subscribe, share and comment. Bye for now.